I don't even know what my name is. But I'll personally, I'm gonna get a name. Just Kev for now, alright? This is my car right here. My little 2.0 T for my baby. You know, big fat turbo in there. You feel me? Today though, right? We're gonna be doing some modifications to this girl. Alright? Let me show y'all what I'm about to do. Show y'all niggas what I'm about to do. Look. I opened the trunk. This is her type shit. Get closer. My phone got no flashlight on it. I know. I'm sorry. So y'all gonna have to look. Y'all just gonna have to look. This is her right here. My turbo right here. Let me show you. Let me show you my turbo real quick. Turbo right there, boys. You feel me? This is her though. You feel me? My blow-off valve right here. Feel a little hot. Intake manifold. I don't be showing the intake. I'm gonna be putting the cold air intake right here. I'm gonna replace this air box, and it's gonna go back down and connect to the turbo. Yeah, go to the back. Let me show you what I. All right, so this is. Let me show you the cold air intake. All right, this is the HTS cold air intake. Who the fuck put a oil in here? This is the cold air intake. This is what I'm about to be installing into my vehicle. You feel me? This thing is about to sound so fucking sexy when I put this shit on. I'm about to put it on probably like, yeah, I'm about to put it on soon. We'll be adding a little wing to this thing right here. I ain't opened it back yet, but planning on putting it on probably tomorrow. Alright, so, you know, stay tuned. You see y'all niggas tomorrow.
3 days later.
This motherfucker right here with the Mustang put on a little spoiler on my car. Showed you at the last clip that I was gonna do this, but I forgot to record it last night. I was so mad, but fuck it, I was like, in the morning, I'm gonna just show y'all. So, get ready. This is it right here. This is it right here. Hold on. Move the tape. The reason why I put this tape on the hood, I don't know, on the instructions, it said to put this so then it could, like, I don't know, keep the placement of the wing or something. So that's what I did and whatnot. Kept it here overnight. I ain't drive the car last night after I put this on. And oh shit. Stop playing with it.
3 days later.
Me and my friend Damon right here.
Damon Fix It on IG.
Yes, sir.
And NYC Damon. I got the YouTube too, Sing GT.
Yes, sir. Follow him, Sing GT on YouTube. Look at this shit. So, now we just gotta go underneath and take off that last clamp that's connected to the turbo, and we should be straight. Yo, so we just took off this fucking little piece of hard to get piece of plastic. We just took the intake hose off the turbo. My turbo is right there, that little silver circle right there. And we did a couple revs before. I'm about to put that in the next clip. You hear this shit? Yeah. And yeah, took us a little bit, but finally got it off. Beautiful blow-off valve and shit. He ain't looking fucking type shit. But yeah, on to the next. Oh, we finally put this shit in the mod. Yes, sir. We got mechanic hands and shit in here. This shit took us probably like 2.5 hours, but yo, outside right now. Oh, this is my son's Mustang, by the way. I know y'all probably seen him. Y'all seen him on YouTube, Mr. Popular right here. Indeed.
Cold air intake coming in soon though.
Cold air intake, you got the shaker mod on it too. Keep that. Alright, man, on my son. Get this out here real quick. Woo! Okay. Oh shit.
Running good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not that. I know it might fluctuate for a little bit for a couple minutes, but it'll be good. Yeah, it's running good.
Woo!
You grab it, bro. You don't really hear everything, bro.
Ah! Yo, I'm gonna do a couple reps for y'all in a little bit, but finally got my cold air intake in. Alright. Yeah. Yo, this sounds. Yo. Yo.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Alright guys, so that's basically the video for y'all. All those clips were from a couple weeks ago, except for the last clips with me driving it. That was from today. I was literally coming back from the mall with my friends and shit, and like, oh, I gotta post some clips of it. So record those clips real quick. But the next couple things I'm about to be doing to this car, I got a couple stuff in mind, but shit, guess y'all gonna have to find out in the next one later.